Why are the Indian government and people reluctant to admit defeat in the India-Pakistan conflict? Indian government and people are reluctant to admit defeat in the India-Pak war because the war had been one-sided throughout and Pakistan never could penetrate Indian sky. India had been in a commanding position on all the 4 days of conflict. India not only is able to pierce Pakistan's sky at their whims and fancy, destroyed 9 airspaces, several HQ-9, HQ-16 air defense systems of cheese-made radars, AWACS, with such a huge destruction staring at Pakistan and no destruction on the Indian side. It is but natural that India won the war. Pakistan definitely and convincingly lost one more war.